We're in London. Gonna get the Elizabeth line, look brand new. We're at Liverpool Street Station, home of Rashid Richardson. And yeah, we're going on a little adventure to Heathrow. So I imagine it's going to change.
Climax G, aka Francis on the wheelchair.
Really?
They can weather you if you can find it's going.
So that's the lift there behind the glass. Oh, that's alright.
It's the same speed, so like you can have your carer next to you, like waving at you.
It's amazing. Oh, there we go, look. So there's the lift lit. That's alright actually. Yeah, it goes with the escalator. Okay. Yeah, so look, the corridors are new. Escalators are new. So this one's going deep underground. Second escalator so far. The little TVs there all the way up. Here we go. Hey, look at that. What are all those little posts? Information. Look at the TV is up there. Yeah, it's like Jubilee line, look. I got the doors. Here's a local that works for TfL. Says it's too expensive. He only does 16 hours, though. Doesn't count.
He's not doing the baboon shift. The person that shares my shift with me does 4 hours.
4 hours a week? Oh, that's alright. So here we are, look. Look at the seats. Little purple seats. Little TVs in here. And yeah, here's the train. Fancy, isn't it? So we had to change 2 times. This is only temporary. Let's have a look at the map. I bet this will be old news one day. This will be old news one day. Look, this is how it is right now. Oh, the train's moving a lot. So yeah, that's how it is now. And yeah, we'll see how that looks soon. But yeah, it's a nice little clean train. It's blatantly a train, it's not the underground. But yeah, going on our adventures.